విద్యార్థులు తమ విజ్ఞానంతో సమాజానికి సేవలు అందించాలని సీనియర్ ఐఏఎస్ అధికారి ప్రవీణ్ ఆదిత్య విద్యార్థులకు సూచించారు. భీమవరం ఎస్ఆర్కేఆర్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ కళాశాలలో జరిగిన గ్రాడ్యుయేషన్ డే కార్యక్రమానికి ఆయన ముఖ్య అతిథిగా హాజరయ్యారు. కార్యక్రమానికి కళాశాల అధ్యక్షులు సాగి ప్రసాదరాజు అధ్యక్షత వహించారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా జరిగిన కార్యక్రమంలో కళాశాల సెక్రటరీ అండ్ కరెస్పాండెంట్ ఎస్ఆర్కే నిశాంత్ వర్మ, గౌరవ చైర్మన్ పి కృష్ణంరాజు, ఉపాధ్యక్షులు గోకరాజు రామరాజు, ఎస్వి రంగరాజు, కళాశాల డైరెక్టర్ డాక్టర్ ఎం జగపతిరాజు, ప్రిన్సిపల్ డాక్టర్ కెవి మురళీకృష్ణంరాజు తదితరులు పాల్గొన్నారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా గ్రాడ్యుయేషన్ పూర్తి చేసిన విద్యార్థులకు ఐఏఎస్ అధికారి ప్రవీణ్ ఆదిత్య సర్టిఫికెట్లు అందించారు.
So those kind of rivalries, this kind of days get backs me to this nostalgic memories where we used to have this competitive spirit among the departments in all the activities, be it extracurricular, be it academics, be it sports or any other events. But one important thing that I would like to tell you, which I could not get during my graduation days, is a very simple fundamental thing that all the graduates here would like to have this in your mind is a very two-letter word is please be ready. The days to come from tomorrow, you will be stepping on to an area where you will be facing lot of unknowns, lot of uncertainties and lot of challenges. So when you encounter so many things at one go, transitioning from a college which is completely an ideal platform for you, where you have the support of all the faculty members, all the teachers, your friends, colleagues, and going into the society where you are an individual person. So from tomorrow you will be an individual person, a citizen in the society, where you will be facing a lot of challenges within yourself and also with the society. So in order to overcome those challenges, very simple fundamental thing that you want to be inculcating is have a very open mind. It's the most fundamental thing to have a very open mind, because there are lots and lots of learnings which are still coming up in the society. College, this 4 years or 3 years or 5 years of your graduation is a base foundation, is a map for your entire career. But utilizing those map with the tools or the resources available in your hand is going to be the key. So I could speak in Telugu also if I may, because my Telugu is not that great, but still I'll try to attempt. మీరు గ్రాడ్యుయేషన్ చేసి బయట సొసైటీకి మీరు వచ్చినప్పుడు ఎటువంటి టూల్స్ మీరు వాడాలి, ఎటువంటి రిసోర్సెస్, ఎటువంటి శిక్షణలు మీకు అందాలనేది మీరే గుర్తించి మీరే దానికి ఒక పాత్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలి.
To the graduating class of 2024, I extend my heartfelt congratulations on your remarkable achievement. Today marks a pivotal milestone in your academic career, your pursuit of knowledge, which began with these walls. They will guide you throughout your professional lives. Education is a lifelong journey, and the strong foundation you have with you here at SRKR, your alma mater, will empower you to reach new heights. With a legacy spanning 44 years, SRKR EC has made a significant impact in the realm of academics. This success is due to the unwavering efforts of our dedicated faculty, who ensure that our institution remains at the forefront of technical education and technological advancements. The technical expertise you have gained will serve you well on your remarkable next chapter of your lives. As you face new challenges and opportunities, remember that your dreams are within your reach through determination and commitment. I would like to take this moment to congratulate those who have secured jobs in various companies and those who have been admitted in prestigious universities abroad. Wherever you go, I wish you all the best in your endeavors, but please remember SRKR is always with you. Come back to us whenever your time permits. You are the best ambassadors of SRKR, and your achievements will remain an integral part of our history. Know that you will always find open doors here welcoming you back.
The reason why I am saying is today is the 91st birthday of Sri late Sagi Ramakrishnaraju garu. So on that particular day, we are celebrating this graduation day. So this will be continued, as the management has already mentioned, that this will be in future also. On this day, the graduation day will be conducted, and you are the first batch. So feeling so proud about that. And coming to another special thing in your case is, with your batch only, we started student council, and that student council is an umbrella for 19 student organizations that are conducting in our college. That is also the another speciality for your branch. One is the student council started with your branch, and the second one is from next year onwards, on the same day we are going to conduct the graduation day. And definitely today, after this time, you will take your certificates. And today will be the last date as a student of SRKR Engineering College. From tomorrow onwards, you will become the alumni. So during these
Now, on this auspicious occasion of the graduation day, I want to take this opportunity to congratulate each and every one for your wonderful achievements. During your time here, you have not only acquired the technical knowledge, but also you have acquired problem-solving abilities, leadership qualities, and working in the team, and which gives you as a guiding light for your future, which you are going entering into a new phase of life. Remember, graduation is not only the end, but the beginning of new phase filled with possibilities and opportunities. You are entering into the world where innovation and creativity are valued more than anything. As engineers, you are the power to shape the future, solve complex problems, and make the positive impact on the society. As you embark on your careers, uphold the principles of integrity, ethics, and social responsibility.
విచ్చేసిన గౌరవ అతిథి పశ్చిమ గోదావరి జిల్లా జాయింట్ కలెక్టర్ శ్రీ ప్రవీణ్ ఆదిత్య ఐఏఎస్ గారికి, ఎస్ఆర్కేఆర్ పాలక మండలి సభ్యుల, కళాశాల సిబ్బందికి, విద్యార్థులకు, తల్లిదండ్రులకు స్వాగతం, సుస్వాగతం. ఈ శుభ సందర్భంలో పట్టా అందుకోబోతున్న విద్యార్థులకు శుభాకాంక్షలు. మీరు జీవితంలో మరింత వృద్ధిలోకి వచ్చి మీ తల్లిదండ్రులు కళలను నెరవేర్చి సమాజానికి తలమానికంగా నిలబడాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా ఆశిస్తున్నాను. ఎస్ఆర్కేఆర్ యొక్క పేరు ప్రఖ్యాతులను నలుదిశలా వ్యాప్తం చేసే బృహత్ బాధ్యత మీ పైన ఉందని ఈ సందర్భంగా తెలియజేస్తున్నాను. మీ భవిష్యత్తు ప్రమాణం అంతా శుభంగా జరగాలని ఆశిస్తూ సెలవు తీసుకుంటాను.